Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view and use the New Year 2024 CapCut template. So here, what you need to do is go to the templates tab at the top. If you load, so here on the template tabs, if you want to create a video related to the New Year 2024, you can just click on the search column and type in New Year template 2024. Click on that. Okay, so here there are lots of videos related to the keyword that I typed in before, so you can just choose which one to use. For example, this Happy New Year template, just click on the use template and add the videos or photos that you want. I'm going to just use photos. So add the photo based on the template's needs. Click on next. And after that, your New Year video will be created. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.